Hello, ambitious entrepreneurs. Welcome to this tutorial series on the Business Tracker Lite Edition. It is going to be your personal companion to take full control of your business so that you can make smarter and faster decisions. Whether you are just starting out or running a growing business, this tracker is going to help you to see the full picture of your sales, your expenses, your payments, even your inventory, and much more, all in one place. The most interesting part is that even if you have never used a business tracker before, you don't have to worry yourself. Step by step, I'm going to give you a guide through everything you need to know so that you can focus on what really matters, growing your business and achieving your dreams. Let's get started. The tracker has 16 tabs. These tabs are grouped into three main sections. The first section is referred to as the core control section. So this is basically the setup tabs. They include the dashboard, the visualizations, the terms and support tab, and the settings tab. So these tabs will help you to configure the tracker and get an overview of your business. The second section of the tracker is referred to as the operational section. So this has to do with you'll be making use of these tabs on daily basis. They include the sales tab, the payments, the inventory tab, the expenses tab, and the returns tab. Other tabs under this operational section include the reminders, the clients, and the suppliers tab. So basically, the sales tab, the payments, the inventory, expenses, and the returns tab are the tabs that you are going to be making use of to record your day-to-day business activities. Now, the last section of the tracker is referred to as the archive section. So this has to do with historical data. The tabs under this section include Sales Archive, Expenses Archive, Inventory Archive, and the Payments Archive. So these tabs store past records for reference purposes so you can track progress over time. The dashboard is the heart of the tracker. It gives you a snapshot of your key business metrics like the revenue, the expenses, and the net profit at a glance. The Settings tab allows you to customize the tracker for your business. You choose your currency, you set up your ID formats, make the tracker your own. So these options will help ensure that the tracker works perfectly for your business needs. Now, before you start entering any data, you need to make your own copy of the tracker. This ensures your information is very safe and personal. So click the link in the description below to open the tracker. Once it opens, go to File, make a copy, and give it a name. You can give it a name of your choice like My Business Tracker or any name that suits your business. So now you have your own version of the tracker that you can edit freely without affecting the original tracker. So if you are on a mobile device, you can tap the link, then use the Google Sheets app to make a copy. So you can either make use of this tracker either from your mobile device or on a desktop, but preferably you will enjoy making use of the tracker much more on your desktop. And that's it for this first video. You now know the structure of the tracker and have your personal copy ready. In the next videos, we are going to go deeper into recording sales, making expenses, payments, tracking inventory, and much more, all in one step. I'm also going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to make your own copy. So remember, every great business starts with organized information. This tracker will help you to take control, make smarter decisions, and grow your business with confidence. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next tutorials. I'm excited to see what you will achieve with your business tracker. Thank you very much and God bless you.